The most expensive thing in your office isn't your laptop. It isn't your software subscription. It's the 20 minutes you just spent staring at this, trying to find the best way to say something that should be fairly simple. It's annoying, frustrating, and now unnecessary. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to get rid of this problem entirely. Essentially, you'll never have to write that kind of email from scratch again. It's like scribbling a rough idea on the back of a napkin, handing it to a world-class architect, and having them hand you back a perfect set of blueprints 10 seconds later. How often does this happen to you? You need to send or reply to an email. You know what you want to say, but you struggle putting the words on screen. If this sounds anything like you, you're definitely not alone. Does it sound right? Does it sound too aggressive? Is it too casual or too disconnected? We tend to freeze up. We waste energy on writing, overthinking, and even editing. Here's a real example from just a week ago. I ran into an acquaintance at the gym, and in the middle of the conversation, he asked if my family and I wanted to join him and his wife for dinner next Tuesday. I was caught off guard. I wasn't looking at my calendar, and I made the classic mistake. I said yes automatically. But an hour later, I looked at my schedule and realized I absolutely do not have time. Now I have a problem. I have to cancel, but I don't want to burn a bridge. I need to send an email that is clear and apologetic. And I also need to suggest rescheduling so that he doesn't think I'm just brushing him off. Usually I would spend 20 minutes agonizing over how to phrase that politely, but instead I used a vomit draft. If you haven't heard of that, it's where you get all the messy, unpolished stuff out of your head onto the screen and you let AI take care of the rest. And I have a special prompt that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. I added that exact prompt to the description below, but before you grab it, stick with me here for just a moment so I can show you that simple 3-step process. Step 1, the persona prompt. Paste that prompt into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and decide on the tone you want for that email. Professional, diplomatic, warm, apologetic, it's up to you. Now, don't worry, you don't need to memorize this prompt or type it out every time. I've actually created a copy-paste email cheat sheet that has this exact prompt, plus 3 others for apologies, negotiations, and status updates. The vomit draft prompt is in the description below right now for you. You can copy and paste it right now. But if you'd like the free PDF that has all 4 prompts, the link is also in the description below. Step 2, the brain dump. Just type or dictate exactly what you want. Don't use capital letters, don't use punctuation, just get the facts down. For example, hey, so I ran into you at the gym and said yes to Tuesday dinner, but I actually can't make it. Schedule is crazy. I'm really sorry. Not brushing you off. Let's definitely do it sometime soon. Apologies to your wife. Let's look at what happens when we hit enter. Step 3, the human layer. Step 3 is the most important part. Make sure you take a moment and read it before you press send. This is where you can change a word or two if necessary so it sounds more like you. And then you're done. This way, you're no longer the writer, you're the editor. And being an editor is much faster and much less painful. Now you no longer have to stare at a blinking cursor just wishing you could get that email over with. Actually, by using this vomit draft method, you're promoting yourself. You're no longer the annoyed writer struggling with a blank page. You're the editor-in-chief approving the final copy. Not lazy, but efficient. So stop staring at a blinking cursor, give yourself permission to write a messy vomit draft, and let AI polish the rest. But AI isn't just knowing how to do a few cool things with ChatGPT. It's a major shift in how things will get done in the world, and we've only just begun. That's why it's so important to be a part of it now. And if you want to see more on how you can be a part of it as well, check out this video right here.